Hello, everybody! Welcome to another edition of One Take Sunday. Today, we will be doing a 200-mile loop around the Bay Area. It's going to be a good one. We're going to go get some tacos. Going to meet up with the guys that I went motorcycle camping with last, I want to say June-ish. And it's going to be good. Looking right now, it's cold. It's 47 degrees, and I'm looking forward to it. Look at this, my helmet's fogging up. That's probably not too safe. I don't know what's up with that, but we'll see what happens. So, yeah, all right. One Take Sunday. Let's do this.
Motorcycle riders! What's up, everybody? And look at that. Did you see that truck almost hit me? Yeah, that was kind of a sketchy way to start off the day, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I got this new 360 camera. I've been dying to use it, and we're going to do it. So here I am pulling up into Berkeley. I'm excited to see a motorcycle or two right off the bat.
Hey there, Richard.
Say hello to Richard there. He is our group leader. There's Tom. Tom's such a good rider. Bob here is signaling me to go. I'm like, no, Bob. I know how you ride. You go in front of me. And then we got a two up behind. And I think his name is Hickman. And just a great ride. So at the beginning of the ride here, my 360 cam went out. I don't know what was wrong with it. So I'm just using my helmet cam here, and it's okay. My helmet cam is what I used to use all the time, but since using this 360 camera, man, oh, there's Tilton Golf Course. I love playing Tilton. And there's the watershed. But since using this helmet cam, boy, it's so shaky. Like I kind of get, there's a watershed up there, kind of in the Moraga Hills. Here we are down in downtown Pleasant Hill. And then from Pleasant Hill, we're checking in here at Morgan Territory Road. Richard checking in with us. This is a great part of the road here. This is where, it goes around the east side of Diablo, and it goes into this, from 2-lane road to a 1-lane road. And it's really gorgeous. There's nobody back here. Well, there's nobody back here but this dog. Oh, he's running so fast. I couldn't believe how fast he was running. Yeah, right in front of me. It was so cool. So we go on the roads back there, and it is really awesome. This is our first break stop. We pull in at Morgan Territory stop to get there. Oh, hey, who's that handsome guy? It's like you have a face for radio. Anyhow, we are laughing and having a good old time here with the guys at the stop.
Well, Richard, you camped. It's like a party, man. Well, you got the lights, the speakers, the concert. Yeah. All right, Joey.
Ooh, yeah. Let's get some music up in here, yeah. Taking these videos to the next level, right? Oh yeah. Crack myself up. So here we are on the Livermore side, and this hill seems so steep when I was going down it. And looking at the footage from the past, it's not as bad. But let's just take this corner. We're jamming around it. And then we have a straightaway, the corner into the straightaway. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Oh yeah. See if we can get to 100. Do it. Oh, so close. So we pull up here in Livermore. And I was trading stock options here, so I had an alert that one of my options hit the price I wanted, so I'm trying to get rid of them here. So I didn't really get too much to downtown Livermore. But hey, let's check this out. Water stop? Water stop? Water stop?
An ice cream stop. What's that? An ice cream stop. Where's the ice cream? It's over here.
Oh, it's always so much fun with these guys. We always have such a good time. Let's go up Mount Hamilton. Let's go grab some lunch. So we rolled down into San Jose at Tacos El Pastor. Great restaurant. Look at this, 4.3 rating. The food was incredible. The company was incredible. With Richard, and talked with Tom a lot there. Talked with Sid a fair amount there. Talked with Hetmet a fair amount there. Saw Bob. I talked with everybody. I was talking with Bob at the stops, Richard at the stops. Got to hang out with everybody. And Heck Matt and his son, really cool guys. It kind of reminded me of like Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, you know, the whole father-son thing. 2 up, and they really rode fast. It was really impressive. So we fill up, look at those fajitas. Oh God, they're so delicious. Good food, good company. So we roll off, and we're gonna go now hit up kind of Del Valle. I used to windsurf there when I was younger. Went backpacking up there too when I was younger. We're gonna go check out now. Let's go see it.
Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone? Don't you busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, but what doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun?
Don't you want to have some fun? There's so much good music, non-copyrighted stuff that's out there. So many songs that's out there that never get heard, and we're finding them. And now we got to say goodbye. This is where we start heading our separate ways. Up Crook Canyon, the Santa Ramon side, gonna say goodbye to Richard and the guys here. Head home. I'm tired. Oh God, it was such a long day, and so glad to finally get home. I'm just pulled up here, and I'm just waiting at the light, waiting to turn green. I got to get in front of these cars, and I didn't notice this Tesla to the left initially, but he pulled up beside me, so I just, jumped off as usual. Then I kind of look off my periphery here to the left. Oh, you want to go? Let's go. So I floor it. I've never had a car ever beat me or catch up with me. But look at, I redlined here twice. I'm doing 110 in fourth gear, hit redline, and it choked. And because it was going so fast, it sped up. So he got to pass me right there. But anyways, I give him, it was good. Let's take a look at that from the other angle, though. So this is him. Look at me. I don't even notice that he's pulling up. I didn't even know he wanted to race. I'm not in race mode. But he's there. So, I take off from the line like I normally do, just beating the cars. And he does a pretty good job beating those other cars. And this is where I see him right here. Like, oh, you want to go? Let's go. But then I choked. I've never redlined it like that. I didn't know when you redline it, it pops kind of out of gear. I guess it's like a safety mechanism. But gotta give the Tesla props. He did a decent job, even though I redlined it. Next time. But that's it, guys. Hope you had a good time. I know I did. And as usual, you know what they say. Stop